you're communicating with Slack. But working smarter with Gemini, neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At MESA, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when someone joins the Slack channel, Gemini instantly generates a personalized welcome message. Or when a Slack channel is archived, Gemini summarizes key decisions and action items. Or even, when a Slack channel is created, Gemini drafts the description, guidelines, and first steps. MESA has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Slack and Gemini, make it happen with MESA. Get started today for free.